Hello, my name is METİN. This is 189th part of explanation of my theory. According to my theory and my formulas, light's distance-independent instant interactions as the intrinsic successive wave motions of meta-sensation perception matter. 1. There are countless intrinsic electron motion forms areas away from each other at different distances in meta-sensation perception matter. Whether they interact with us or they don't. There are countless free electron motion forms, interfered successive waves from the eternity are at present around us. Once the successive waves of free electron motion forms touch us, connect with us, or with receivers, no matter how far their free electron motion form sources are, these successive waves transfer to us all changes and events around their sources instantly. For instance, when one of the galaxies accelerate and move away from you or from receiver, this enlarging change in wavelength in opposite direction through you doesn't actualize sequentially as the domino effect. There is no domino effect. Distance between each of waves shifts to red instantaneously and completely. Like what? Here I am. Here electron motion forms. Here successive waves of that source. Here a certain distance. Suddenly it accelerates and moves away from me. Like what? This. The movie will not be that. Instantly, all distances, each distances between each crests, instantly, at the same moment, from here to there, instantly enlarge. Okay. Not sequentially. Yes, you see, I guess. Now, for instance, when one of the galaxies accelerate and move away from you or from receiver, this enlarging change in wavelength in opposite direction through you doesn't actualize sequentially as domino effect. There is no domino effect. Distance between each of wave shifts to red instantaneously and completely. If an observer waited 13.6 billion years for observing for every event's moment of each change from a galaxy, for watching a shortest movie that is composed of 10 different moments pictures from this galaxy, it would require 136 billion years to finish watching this for 1 second shortest film completely. You wait for 1 second shortest movie of galaxy, 136 billion years. 2. Unlike artificial radio waves, unlike proton-bound electron motion forms single wave pulse light, and unlike sequential artificial single wave pulses as laser, I defined laser as this. The successive waves of free electron motion forms are intertwined like this. First cycle, second cycle, third cycle, intertwined and connected, interconnected through eternity. Free electron motion form produces and propagates successive waves. Free electron motion forms, spherical ring-shaped free electron motion forms and their successive waves. Yes. Unlike artificial radio waves, unlike proton-bound electron motion forms single wave pulse light, and unlike sequential artificial single wave pulses as laser, I define laser as this. The successive waves of free electron motion forms are intertwined and interconnected entirely. Once they arrive to an observer or to a receiver, whether they come from the most distant galaxy or from a nearby star, they carry and transmit all changes from these sources instantly. This means you sense two different changes from different distances instantly in a single moment's picture, in the now. Everything is in the now, in the single picture, and in the single movie. Okay. This means you sense two different changes from different distances instantly in a single moment's picture. One of them from most distant event and the other from nearby star. One of them from most distant galaxies event and the other from nearby star, if they actualized at the same moment. You sense two of these at the same moment, at the same time, instantly, in one moment's single picture. 3. Action at a distance is a metaphysics idea from the mysticism. Meta-sensation perception matters, intrinsic motion forms interact each other, and there is no interaction without matter in our universes. Have a good evening. See you later.